In this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon, and that's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and get in profile. And here I got that icon beside the display name of my account. But what you're gonna do if you don't get that icon? First, you need to open up your App Store and here tap on search and type in TikTok to find the TikTok application. And here make sure that your TikTok application is updated. Here I got the open button. That means that my TikTok application is updated to the latest version. If here you see the update button, tap on that to update your application and then go back here and eye icon will appear at that place. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.